Hey guys, Cheyenne and I are here. We're doing a little video tutorial from home on how to use the Invisalign Virtual Care. So we're gonna kind of start from the beginning, like I'm on my side, which I would be myself, the doctor, and Cheyenne is gonna be like as if she's a patient, which she is, and then all the steps that you need to do to get your virtual care app set up, and then how I see it on my end. So the first thing, Cheyenne's gonna get on the App Store.
My Invisalign, yes.
Okay, so you're gonna
Give me a second.
download the app, and then you can set up an account. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let her do that really quick. You can use, if you're using your phone with that app, you can scan your aligner bag. There's a little QR code on there. Sometimes it's easier to just type in your name, and your Invisalign patient ID is on the bag. It's the long number next to like a little.
Yeah, and then enter my email and create a password. It's loading.
Okay.
So then we're to the front. Or the beginning. Yes, it has total aligner stage, current aligner stage, days of wear, next change date, and notify me.
Okay.
Current aligner stages would be 12.
Yes.
The ending. Okay. And then the current aligner stages, I'm at 5. And days of wear, I've been doing 7.
Okay, you can do 7.
7?
Yeah. So we're doing this video in real time also, so this is not rehearsed.
Next change date would be next Thursday, April 10th.
Yep.
Yeah. And notify me at, and you can pick a time to
Actually,
notify
that's
me.
next Friday. Today's Friday.
Oh. April 10th, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then it'll notify you at whichever time that you choose.
Okay, okay. So you're logging into the app.
Okay, and this is the notifications. And this is the beginning.
Awesome. Okay, so the little green arrow you can use if you want to track the number of hours you have your aligners in. So like just hit that green arrow. Okay, so now it's like, okay, so let's say you just put your aligners in, and then when you take them out, you can hit that pause, like if you go to eat dinner or something, and that can help you kind of track your aligner wear time. If you want, yeah, and
Got it.
An aligner, a reminder to put it in. Okay, so now, and did you already do the thing where you accepted the virtual care?
So it wanted me to create an account, and so I'll go back to my email and then get started here. Oh,
I think it's the same one.
Oh, okay.
So if you already have the app and you already created your account, you should be good to go. And then see down at the bottom where it says My Care with a little red dot. Yeah.
Accept.
Awesome. Okay, so I had to do a lot of like begging and harassing of a lot of like high ups at Invisalign to get access to this thing, because technically this is a beta test and it was not even really released to anybody. So we're really lucky to have this to kind of keep in contact. All right, so where it says take photos, okay, so you're gonna start taking the photos here.
Okay.
So it kind of will go through exactly what you need to do. So we can start with that one that says video. And so ideally we want you to have this cheek retractor thing here. And Cheyenne has a cheek retractor with her. I ordered that off of Amazon, and I can put the link in the video for you guys to order. There's a bunch of different ones. This is good because you don't have to hold it with both hands. You can kind of just stick it in your mouth, and then it'll, you can take your video. I think they made these for that board game that was out a while ago.
I know what you're talking about. Okay, so take video. Start recording. So I will get my cheek retractors and aligners on.
And so if you don't have cheek retractors right now, you can very carefully take 2 spoons and retract your lips out of the way. You just want to be kind of careful not to like bang into your bone or anything with the spoons.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay. These are, look at these.
You just need one.
Just one?
Yeah. And so it's going to hold back both sides of your cheeks, your lips and your cheeks.
Oh, like on this side?
So the little, see how the circle looks like a C? Yep, like that. And then you're going to kind of push it together. Yeah. Uh-huh. Exactly.
Ah.
Yeah.
Very
Get your lips and your cheeks out of the way so then we can see into your mouth all the way. And then you're going to kind of like line it up with the picture. Yep.
It doesn't too hard.
Yep,
Oh.
there you go.
Perfect.
And then hit that. Yay.
Wow, that's cute.
Oh yeah, and so I can really see how your aligners are fitting there. So that's awesome.
Yeah.
So this one is cheek retractors on, but aligners off. So you're going to take your aligners off for this picture.
Okay. Same thing. Yeah, you smile?
Mm-hmm.
They look like oblong. Weird. Okay.
Okay, and so
No
this
cheek retractors.
yeah, this is just normal. So I can see your smile line and the edges of the teeth and everything. Look how pretty your teeth look.
Yay. Look at my crow's feet on my eyes, though.
Oh, stop.
Okay, and so the next thing would be the video, but it's not allowing us to do that because we're recording our
Zoom.
Little talk. So
you can just go ahead and hit send incomplete. So now when I go to my Invisalign site, I go to my virtual care tab and it'll pull up all my patients here. I've filtered it out so that we don't have anyone else's name here. So if I go to Cheyenne, it's going to show me all her pictures and I can zoom in.
Whoa.
Sorry. As much as I need to, and I can see the way the aligners are fitting and everything, so I can tell there's like no space everywhere. The attachments look like they're fitting pretty good. Awesome. So, and then I can send I can send instructions back to you. And they'll come on email.
Oh, I just got it. It popped up on my app and it said, great job, because I am simply the best patient ever.
Oh, okay, awesome. So it's really pretty simple to use. And then if you can do the video tool as well, that will be really helpful for us to kind of keep monitoring. Right now, we have planned to be closed till the end of April, but yeah, apparently Dallas County has like extended the stay at home till May 20th. We don't know if that is going to affect us. We think yes, but we don't really know. So yeah, I know, we're really sad. We miss you guys.
So much.
So I'm gonna send this video to everybody so you can kind of do this and at least we can monitor virtually. Thank you, Cheyenne.
Thank you, Dr. Reddy.